The first product I'd like to demonstrate for you today is our rotary mower and tool sharpener. And this is the product. It's a grinding wheel, Corundum grinding wheel with a guide running independently of the grinding wheel behind it, and that helps to locate the product on the tool. We're going to start off with sharpening a rotary mower blade, which obviously has an edge at that end and edge at that end. It's easier if you locate it, first of all, in a vise, which I'm doing right now. And the first operation is to remove any burrs that you've got on the back edge of the blade. That's literally just like that. And now we're going to sharpen the beveled edge. And as I said, the guide is helping you to locate the grinding wheel on the edge. And that's a very, very nice sharp edge. And then one will just reverse the blade to do the other bevel. It's going to give you a much, much better cut on the lawn. The second product I'd like to show is a brush cutter blade, which obviously has the same kind of bevel, as you can see, as a rotary mower blade. And we're locating that in the same way. And again, the guide is helping you locate the grinding wheel on the edge. Obviously, just turn around the blade, do this 3 times on the 3 bevels. Again, a very nice sharp edge, which is going to give you much, much better cutting efficiency. And the third product, or third category if you like, is large garden tools. This is, as you can see, a half moon edger for the edges of lawns, edges of beds. And if you've got a good edge on this, makes a big difference to how efficiently the tool works. So same principle, the guide is helping to locate the grinding wheel on the edge. There you've got a very nice edge, which will make it much easier to do the edges of the lawns. And that applies to spades and hoes, etc. So it's quite a useful three-way product here.